So here we are again. Lesson 2 of the expert section of this meditation course. While being aware that you exist, completely immersed in your experience of life, I want you to work out, to train. If you're already training and working out, then bring this meditation, this awareness of existing, into that. Whether it's weightlifting, yoga, which should be pretty fitting, or martial arts, running, climbing, whatever it is that you do to work out, start doing it consciously, being aware every moment you do it, of every movement you make. You feel your body and the muscle groups working out, and you're just silently aware of it while being aware that you exist. Connect with your body through the pure awareness of an uncluttered mind. And I'd suggest you just work out that way forever. But of course, it might not be as easy if you're working out with others. But whenever you're not talking to the others, go right back and be aware of your existence and what you're doing. You see, being aware of your existence and what you're doing is not actually two separate things. Because you can be aware that you exist all the time. It just becomes a new normal to keep a part of your consciousness kind of separated and focused toward the fact that you exist. And then the rest of you can continue doing whatever you're doing. But this is something you will grow into as you put hours and days and weeks into it. But now first, keep it like this while working out. For the next week, next 2 weeks. So work out your awareness of yourself as you exist while working out your body. See you in the next video.